just do the top. Okay, failed.
Emotional, damn it!
Hi guys, it's Cheryl. Today I'm gonna make celery stir-fried pork. Yes! So I bought a fresh celery and I already washed them. And also I just bought the sliced pork. It's black pork. It's recently very popular in China because it's like a premium pork. But I just bought it because it's on sale. So we need to just marinate the pork first. Ta-da! I think we need to put them in a bowl. I wanna wash them also because I don't believe the food directly pick up from the box. Now we are good. Very beautiful color, very suitable for summer. And we just need to add a bit soy sauce to marinate it, and also very crucial things, the wine. It helps keep out all the strange flavor. Seems that I put a little bit too much, but doesn't matter. Also, the egg white. I'll just mix them together. Now let's stir it. So when you stir your pork slices, you need to just keep moving into one, like clockwise, keep them into one direction. And don't forget to add the starch. It is very important because it makes the pork more tender. Oh! Sorry, a little bit too much. I'll just leave some out. Too amateur, sorry. Maybe I should open a channel to show my embarrassing cooking. I don't want to waste food. Sage, and then just keep moving. It's kind of satisfying while I do the cooking, although sometimes it can be exhausting, but this dish is pretty easy. You can also like substitute celery with other vegetables like chilies and chives. Just randomly find vegetable and fry them together with the pork slices. It makes sense. I also like the onion pork slice. Yes, we're done. Just leave it marinate there for a while, like maybe 15 minutes. And now all we need is to cut the celery. I don't know why Western people like to make celery juice. I have no idea of that. It's how I just can't understand the flavor, you know. So I will use all of them. I think the root is of no use. Let's just separate the leaves and the, how to say this, doesn't matter. To be honest, the leaf is kind of useless, and just cut them into slices. Oh. Damn, it is not very fresh. It's a little bit old because you see there are some like, how do I call that? Fabric. Should I say fabric? Just a little bit. Shish. Wait, should I add the leaves also? Never mind, I'll just add the leaves. I eat myself, I don't care. It's good for topping, but I think that is enough. But what should I do with these leaves? Never mind. I will figure it out. So now let's wait for a few minutes and start cooking.
Later.
Shish, I nearly forget the most important thing, the garlic. Remember to add garlic into every Chinese dish. It's so important. So let's chop them and just smash them and add them to the dish. Now let's turn on the fire and turn down your sound. A little bit stupid, but this is the easiest way for me to pour the oil. And also it's really healthy. Sorry to be white. So after you see there is okay, just add your pork slice. Stir-fry it. Add some soy sauce, salt, white pepper. Keep stir-fry it or toss it. I need to use another kind of soy sauce to make some color on it, otherwise it's too white. Just a little bit. Now add your celery. Just chop it. Lazy. I just put my celery on the cupboard. Let me just do the topping. Okay, filled. Now important thing. MSG. I would also like to add some white sugar. Yeah, it's for white sugar. Shit, my English is so bad today. Just use the lowest fire to heat it, or even you can turn off the fire. I'll have a taste. Good. Uh-oh, good plating. To be honest, it tastes very so-so because I like my grandma version more, but it's not that bad. Actually, it tastes good. Just have a try. See you. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you want. To be honest, it starts to taste yummy. Let me have one more. No, the celery is so crispy. Bye.